Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so let's get right to it. So I am working on a 15 by 30 inch canvas, and I thought to myself, it has been a long time since I did an all black base pour. So I look back at my videos and I thought, you know what? The last time I did one was like 4 or 5 months ago. I've done black and white color splits, but I haven't done an all black one in, I believe, about 4 to 5 months. So I figured, you know what? I'm going to do a all black pour today. So I am using my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. And it is mixed with Floetrol and water. That's the same thing in here. I use my little squeeze bottle or bigger squeeze bottle to do my edges with. And then my paints are also mixed the same way as my base paint. And for those of you who are new watching, you can find a video tutorial on how I mix my paints in video number 63. I will link it up here at the top for those of you who want to see that. The colors I'm going to be using tonight are Winsor Blue by Winsor & Newton. Then I've got Iridescent Green Blue by Pebeo. Then I have Phthalo Turquoise by Holbein. And then I thought I'd add some green, so I've got the Iridescent Green Yellow by Pebeo. And then we have Winsor Violet by Winsor & Newton. And topping it off, we have Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft. So I'm thinking little peacocky type of colors here. The only thing I didn't add, and I don't want to add, is gold or silver. I want this to be just all colors, and I have 1 metallic, 1 iridescent, and 2 iridescent. So out of the 6 colors, 3 are shimmery. So that should add the shimmer, and it should also help with the cells. And of course, I'm going to be using my flower hair dryer, the little one today. I really like using this. And for those of you who don't know, it's called Flower by Drew Barrymore, and you can get it at Walmart US, okay? You can't get it here in Canada, unfortunately. So if you know someone in the US who can buy it for you and ship it over to you, I know there's a few places you can probably buy it off eBay, but it's ridiculously expensive. I don't know. I haven't looked because I don't need to look because I already have one. But yeah, so, and before I forget, after my workshop 2 weeks ago, and Lucas and I were cleaning up, and he said, "Mommy, you've got 1 extra canvas left." He goes, "Can I do a Dutch pour?" I said, "Sure, buddy, why not?" After watching and listening to the entire class today, yeah, you can do one, and let me show it to you. And I did actually do a quick video of it. So if I remember, I will add the video at the end of this video of him doing the Dutch pour. This is what he did. No joke. All I did was 1 blowout with him. I held his hand to do 1 blowout. The rest of the blowout, he did completely on his own. So this is what Lucas did all by himself. So now he wants me to resin it so he can hang it in his room. So I will try to remember to put that video at the end of this video. So stay tuned to the very end. All right, I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, everybody, I'm ready to go. The only thing I hate about black is the really bad reflection you get in the black paint, and then the lighting is also a little off, so it's always a little weird. So I had to lower the brightness on my phone there. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna start with the Winsor Blue, and I'm gonna do my traditional little wispy lines here. It's been a long time since I've done a black background, and I haven't used this hair dryer on this size canvas, I don't believe. So let's see, where are we going? We shall go here, here, and here. And we will add one this way, and we will add one going this way. It's like electric blue. Look at that. I hope you can see that in the camera. That is so pretty. All right. Iridescent green blue. I switched it up from my typical blue green. So I did green blue in that one. All right. Phthalo turquoise. We've got here, I love these colors. Obviously, my favorites. The green, I, contemplated in, out. Do I put it in and out, or I don't know. And I'm like, all right, let's add it. So I'll try not to add too much. Then again, if I don't add enough, it might just disappear. So there you go. All right, Winsor Violet. Kids are going back to school on Tuesday. I'm very excited. Actually, Sophia and Lucas, but more so Sophia. She's so excited to be going back to school. They found out who their teachers were. They're very happy. They get to see their friends. So it shall be nice. All right, colors are down. Let's pop the bubbles. All right, let's blow this out. So as usual, I'm gonna start here and move into the negative space and then keep working slowly, thinking about where I'm gonna blow next, all right? So this goes on low, so let's get started. All right, so far, I love it. But I had to stop and think about this because I got to think about how I'm going to blow this one strip out, because I need to make sure this gets blown down, right? So if I'm going this way, I might end up blowing into this wispy. So if I go this way, then my best bet would be to blow down. See, yeah, this is like the first time I'm doing it. So you got to think about which way you're going to blow this now. I could go this way. I think I'm going to go down this way. This was one of the biggest lessons in my workshop that I was teaching everybody is which way you're going to blow the paint, right? So if I'll probably do, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. All right, so I think I'm going to stop talking, Kanella. I think I'm going to go this way. Yeah, just go for it. Maybe I'll just go straight. See what happens. Let's see. I am so unbelievably happy with this piece, and I'm so happy I put the green in there. This thing shimmers like you would not believe. Oh, I love it. I'm really happy. Wait till you see the close-up. I'm not touching any of this, none. So I'm going to fix my sides, make sure all the sides are covered really well with the black paint. I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. I have fixed my edges. And don't forget to scrape those drips. I love doing this. So do that. Do it all the way around. Okay, come back 10 minutes later. Check on your piece. do it again, and then do it a third time, and you should be good. All right, so this is black, so there is going to be a reflection, but oh boy. And you know, the camera doesn't really catch the turquoisey color in here from the metallic cobalt blue and the iridescent green blue. But I promise you, there is some serious turquoise in this painting. And just the lighting sucks. Look at the reflection. That's the bad part about black. And then watch, the closer I go, it just messes with the exposure on my camera. So I'll go close so you guys can see like the cells and stuff. But when I turn the lights off and just have the flash, I'm hoping it'll look a lot better. So let's give that a try. All right, so all the lights are off and I'm gonna try and go close there. So there's the shimmer. There's gonna be shimmer in this entire piece. And I'm telling you, when this thing gets top coated with crystal resin and it's out in the sunlight, it is going to shine like crazy. I love this piece, and I do love working with black because when it dries, it does look really nice. And so I'm thinking that I'm going to do another black base and probably try some of those reflex colors from Amsterdam, the reflex yellow or reflex orange, green. I have them all now, so it should be interesting. So there you have it, everybody. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. This one is available for purchase. As I mentioned, it's a 15 by 30 inch canvas. And if you are interested, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. I love it. I love it, and I can't wait for it to dry. So that's it, everybody. Don't forget to watch to the end and check out Lucas doing his little Dutch pour there. And everything you need to know is listed in the description below. So I have all links to everything in the description below. And I think if you are a new watcher and you're not subscribed, I would love it if you would hit that red subscription button and subscribe to my channel. That is all I have to say, I guess, for today. Short and sweet today, guys. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye. Yeah. You see? Okay, now you're doing the rest on your own. Now you gotta go this way. So change hands. You're gonna go right here. Don't put it here, right here. Yep. Oh, now blow right up. Switch hands. And blow right up the center. I'm letting go, hold on.
Like straight?
Right here, right here. Okay, now switch hands. You're gonna aim it right here.
Okay.
This way.
Okay.
Down, going down.
This way?
Yep. There you go. Right here. Go. Okay, other hand, no, other hand. See this big green blob? You're going that way now.
Okay.
See that? Okay. Okay, switch hands. And now you're gonna hit this green blob and go down. Nice. Okay.
So what about here? What can we do with that? What?
You can blow it out a bit if you want.
Okay.
You want to get your Thomas stool?
I really like it because it looks like there's gold dust. It's
Yeah.
like dust.
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, I really like it. I'm happy with it.
Good.
I hope I'm happy with it, and I am. So.
Okay.
Okay, let me get the mini leaf blowers.
Okay. It's over there in the basket. No, up, up, up. Look at me. Look at me. There. I'm not sure you should do much, Lucas, to be honest with you. I don't know if you
I
should
don't
touch it.
want to do too much. I just want this.
Come over here. Do you see the shimmer here?
Yeah, I do.
Now, if you blow the green a little bit, it might be okay, but you don't want to ruin it.
Okay, well then I don't want to.
You can try, but I think you should just leave it.
Try to leave it. I'm gonna get a straw. And
No, use your mouth. Come here.
Just a little bit.
I'll tell you where. You can blow right here out a little bit. Okay. Okay, do you want to touch something here?
No.
No?
I'm just gonna leave it.
Let me see. I think you should just leave it.
So now I can touch up my edges, right?
So the only other thing you can do is if you blow a little bit here, you might get some more blue, but if you want some blue there,
Okay.
blow overhead, not sideways, and slowly blow right into that blue spot. Okay.
Just
See?
open up a big cell right there.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
What do you think?
So now I touch up my edges with my finger.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So just go dab dab.